guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna unbox this Keypora Artisan's keycaps that was sold last mid-July sale. And this is my first raffle win from Alpha Keycaps. When you say raffle, it doesn't mean that these artisans are for free, but because these artisans are only produced in a limited quantity and time, that's why it was being sold as a raffle. Actually, you can only have one entry per user, and a requirement before joining the raffle is that you should have a PayPal account so that they can send you an invoice if you won the raffle. First glance, you'll thought that they are just ordinary keycaps, but when you see their price tag, it is mostly the same with the price of a pre-built mechanical keyboard. The reason why they are expensive aside from being limited is because each keycaps are handcrafted individually by an artist. So basically, you will also buy their time, effort, skills, and talent in creating these. There are lots of artisan keycaps collectors that are even willing to buy it from aftermarket with much higher price. You can often see them in Reddit and Discord. Shipping fee is pretty expensive too since the package will come from Indonesia. From my last birthday vlog, I told to my subscribers that I will give away this Ako keycap set. However, I noticed something wrong with the keycaps. If you can notice, we have one letter R here and another R here, meaning letter P is missing. So I decided to not give away this incomplete set anymore. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next vlog. Bye! Akala niyo tapos na, no? Joke lang. I managed to have another keycap set to give away to my subscribers thanks to Gosul Gaming Gears. Giveaway is this PBT folding keycap set with 104 keys that will fit on any standard keyboards like 60%, PKL, and full layout. For example, ang Pro 2, Keymove 61, and Raklam ang Pro. The mechanics to enter this giveaway is first, subscribe to my channel, like and comment on any of my videos. Next is follow my Facebook page, Straubrey TV, and I will make a thread about this giveaway. Comment on that post your dream keyboard because I also want to know you guys. And last is to follow Goso Gaming Gear's Facebook page for making this giveaway possible. Make sure to follow all the mechanics to win this giveaway. I also want to announce that I already released my first merch, a custom Desmat Straubrey TV. This was sold out in just 7 hours of release. Thank you for all those who supported this Desmat. Winner will be announced on September 1, 2020. Good luck to all of you guys and thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!